Hey guys, I am coming to you from my kitchen floor. Today we will be going through all of our drawers and cabinets and everything because I need to, one, declutter, two, just get rid of a lot of dishes that we don't use at all. So yeah, we are going to do that today. Let's get started. Okay, so this is the first cabinet we will be cleaning out. What? I just put your sock on. Say hi, baby. Diles hi. Show them Frodo. You want to show them Frodo? Yeah, say this is Frodo. Where's Smeagol? Where's Smeagol? Diles hi with Smeagol. These are her two favorite things to play with. We have Frodo and Smeagol. Frodo was actually a gift from her Uncle Anthony. He gave it to her on her birthday. And she freaking loves these guys. I don't know why, but Mikey's like super into the Lord of the Rings, Hobbit stuff. And so is she, huh? And so is Lucci, huh? Okay, but you have to sit down. at Target a couple weeks ago, and I'm gonna use them to organize like the smaller things to make it look more cute. Alright guys, we're finally done organizing every drawer and cabinet in this kitchen, and I feel so much better now that everything is so organized and like it has its place. It just looks so much nicer, and I just want to show you guys. What's up, baby? Oh, that's yours? Thank you. Go put it back on the fridge. Go put it on the fridge. Okay, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like now though. Alright, so this is the cabinet with the plates and bowls. I organized the wine glasses up there, and then we have the plates here and some bowls. I feel like this looks a lot more organized. I do feel like I still need to get rid of some bowls, but I'm not ready to let go of these just yet. And then this drawer, I put all of our plastic spoons and forks, and then all of my spatulas, random other spatulas. Alright, down here I have mixing bowls and just random stuff. Also our plastic plates and plastic cups are down here. Yes. Okay, I ended up organizing up here as well. And I really like how this looks now. These little, I don't know what this is called, but these I thrifted them. I'm pretty sure Marshalls or Ross sells those, so you can probably get them there. Okay, and then here we have all of our cups. Up here are cups that we don't really use on a daily basis, but I don't want to get rid of them just yet. And then here we have all of our glass cups, and then the mugs that we use for like our coffee in the morning and stuff. These are the ones that we actually use like all the time, so. Alright, in this drawer we have all of our utensils. I really do feel like these came in handy so much. Like, I just love these. I have all of the baby's spoons here, random little things. Yes. Look at this. I love this. This just looks so much better. Little towels. And look, back here, I use one of like the thinner ones to put all of the pumpkin carving things that we have that I don't really want to get rid of because we get them literally, I feel like, every year. So I did want to keep those. And then here we just have like random little things. Yeah. Alright, and then down here, I definitely do feel like this looks so much better. The lid organizer definitely came in handy. Got all of our pots and pans up here. And then, yeah, I think it looks better. And then over here we have just like a bunch of random stuff, really. Cha-Cha, you gotta move, girl. I just feel like having them like this makes it easier to just grab them and go, you know, than how I had them before. Yeah, it looks better. Alright guys, then for the final drawer, which was such a freaking mess, look at how much better this looks. I love how this looks now. So organized. This is all the random stuff I just threw in there. But now I have my pens right here, my scissors, these little clips for like chips and stuff. And then we have our lighters here and where we keep extra change. Yeah, this definitely looks better. Alright guys, that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me organize my kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!